Today we are going to talk about replacing the turn signal bulb on a 2016 F-150. As you can tell, this one is currently working on the back right, but over here, this one is not. It's indicated by, when you're in here, you watch, it goes double fast. And then that one's normal. So if you have something like that, then you probably have a bad light bulb. So we are going to work on replacing it. Okay, so first things first, you gotta drop the tailgate down. And then you have two bolts, one here and one here. And that's what holds your entire housing in on the side over here. So these are 8mm. My 8mm socket wrench here, and you want to take these off. There's one. Sorry about the plane over there, it's kind of loud. But that's what happens when you do stuff outside. So after you get those, this whole assembly should start to come out. Okay, so once you get these bolts out, this whole thing, it's kind of popped in there, so you gotta work on popping it out. And then it should come out just like that. So that's what it looks like, just like that. Okay, so to get to the bad bulb, it's the one up top, the bigger one that has two filaments in it. To do that, all you got to do is twist that, comes out. And then this piece, this bulb, just pulls out. Just like that. Pulls out. There you go. So now, to the store to get another one. That's what it looks like. There you go. Okay, so I have my new bulb, and gonna need to put it in. So very similar. You just get it put in the same way that it came out. I'm using a glove just in case. My hands are extra oily, but snaps in place pretty easy. Now that it's there, let's turn the truck back on and check to see that it's actually blinking the way it's supposed to. Okay, so let's turn on the truck, and then we're going to turn on our turn signal that was messed up. It's not going fast anymore. So come back out here. Look at there, blinking like it's supposed to. Okay, so now that that's back in, let's see if I can do this one-handed. You'll take this, put it back in the same way. It should go in pretty easy. Just twist and it snaps in. Once you have that and everything else, should go back in. Make sure everything tucked in there. See, there's a pin up top here. There's a pin in the bottom. And so you want to make sure that those are lined up in their spots. I don't know if you probably can't see that in there. You make sure that they're lined up. Make sure that these front pins, oops, so I thought I had it. Make sure all these pins are all lined up. So there's a pin up top, up in there. There's no one down below. Make sure all of it's lined up, ready to go. Everything snaps in, just like that. Everything's snapped in, and then you put in your bolts again with your 8mm wrench. All right, so here we go. Tighten that up. Another one down here. everything's solid, back in place. Everything matches along here. Looks good. Okay, so now that we have this all back together, let's do one final check here. Get in here, turn it on one more time. Turn signal still seems to be functioning properly. So we run back here. Well, you know, there it is, it works. All right, guys, appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and click like and subscribe if you don't mind. Have a good one.